What should I do today? Maybe I think I want to go and watch some TV. Classical TV. Wait, never mind. I want to do what happened last time. You guys don't remember what happened last time? I turned it on. It was freaking news. Anybody want to watch no news? So, ooh, Lego box. What's this? Why does it? It looks like something that I shouldn't be touching. But either way, I gotta touch it. I just have to. Wait a second. They're trying to trick me. It's an opening it. Well, the trick worked. What? What the? Is that a? Let me get in. Wow, where the heck am I? So purpley and twirly and stuff and round and purple. It's black. I'm having a blackout. Help! 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 I'm having a blackout. It's a blackout. Ah, I'm gonna die. I'm going to die. Ah, 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 what the heck? What is this place? Where am I? Oh, finally the nightmare of terror is over. Well, how the heck did I came here perfectly? Wait a second. Shouldn't I be falling, actually, to be honest? That's better. I wonder what this place is. What's that? I'm so tired. So hot in here. It's like Florida over here. Fun fact, Florida is hot and boring. Ah. So much of the boringness. So boring, I'm gonna die. Is that a... Ah! Ah! Oh! Help! Help me! Ah! Ah! Please help! Ah! I'm being attacked! The attack is over. Finally! That didn't hurt so much, now did it? Oh no! Ah, it's getting back! Ah! 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 He's attacking me! Ah! 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 Oh no! 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 Oh, oh, where am I? Ah, what the? Ah! Ah, not again! Ah! I'm being bitten alive again! That's enough! Who are you?
My name is
Ender dragon. I mean, your parents must not love you if they called you an ender dragon.
No, that is just my species, you imbecile.
That makes more sense. Hey, relax. Don't growl at me.
Terrence, do your thing.
What thing? Ah! He's biting me! Ah! He's biting me alive! Ah! 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 Save yourself! Ah! Why is he aiming for my butt? Ah! 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 This other one's biting me! Ah! Why are they all biting? Ah! Ah!
Terrence! Williams! Enough!
Ah, it hurts. I'm never coming back here ever again.
Who said you weren't coming back? Who said you weren't coming back?
Me. I said I'm coming back.
You're not anymore. Change your plans. I hate you!
Ah! You won't eat me.
And why not?
Because, I really don't know. I really don't know anymore, to be honest with you.
Okay then. Now, I will kill you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Unless I have something to do with it. Ah! He's biting me! Why? Why? Ah! 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 What the? Where I go? Where am I? What is this place? You're gonna get it.
Die!
Hey guys, I just want to say make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. If you guys did enjoy that, one thing to learn: dinosaurs were extinct a long time ago. So if you were an elephant and you were just very, very dumb, you just wanted to go to a portal where dinosaurs are and get bitten 1,000 times, don't be him, guys. Please don't. Don't be an idiot. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.